My real name is Mia, and my name is Princess Chane. If I write a name in our school, Filipino school is magical. I love the school. I love their drawing, and our American school is so boring. My best friends just hate our school, and my best friend there is don't hate our school because it's Manila, so many candies. I'm not buying the candies, so I'm just eating foods. I have a lunchbox, so I'm eating broccoli. My teacher said, "Very good, Mia. You're eating healthy foods," he said, because my real name is Mia, and my name is Princess Chane, but my name is from my Nila name, and my real name is from English. So I'm confused because Dad is in American, so he just do that name, and Mom is oh his parents Dad's parents is in America, so he just my name is Mia. So mommy, his parents is in Manila, and daddy's parents is in American. So just daddy make my name Mia. So mom make my name Princess Chane, and I love mommy want my real name is Azalea because it's in Tagalog. I don't know how to Tagalog and English. I forgot English now because I'm doing Tagalog speak. My uncle is so angry with her wife because my auntie is so beautiful and he have another boy. My auntie's sisters is my siblings. They go to American. They miss their mothers because my mom is my mom is mom. My mom is their not their mom, and my dad is their not their dad. My mom's name is Vanessa. My dad's name is Michael.